oceans now. As I already told you that we will be reading about the all the oceans of the world or on the surface of the earth, and then we will be reading its characteristics and the importance. Okay, so the first ocean which we are about to read is Pacific Ocean. Children, you already know that the Pacific Ocean, it is the largest ocean on the surface of the earth. Let us see how much area is occupied by the Pacific Ocean. It is 1/3 of the earth's surface. Okay, so 1/3 of the earth's surface, it is occupied by the Pacific Ocean. Now let us see the area which is covered by it. Now the Pacific Ocean, it stretches from Arctic in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. Now let us see which are the continents which are surrounded or which surrounds the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Now so children, the Pacific Ocean is surrounded by Asia and Australia in the west and the Americas in the east. Americas means the North and the South America in the east. Now let us see what are the main characteristics of Pacific Ocean. Okay. Now if we see the total area of the Pacific Ocean, it is what more than merging of all the dry land of the earth. Secondly, the Pacific Ocean is circular in shape. Third, the average depth of the Pacific Ocean is over 4,000 meters. Okay. The deepest part of the Pacific Ocean is Mariana Trench. Okay. Which is how many meters deep? 11,022 meters deep. Pacific Ocean, it is also known as the Pacific Ring of Fires. Why it is known in this way? Because it is having the maximum number of active volcanoes. Now we will be reading importance of the Pacific Ocean. The first importance is that it provides low cost sea transportations. Okay. Secondly, it is having abundant coral reef. Okay, children, what is the meaning of the word coral reef? Okay, it is a ridge of rock. Now, what is a ridge? A ridge, it is a long, narrow piece of highland along the top of hills or mountain. So, you see, children, it is having abundant coral reef, which makes it a protected area for many species of sea animals. Then, third importance is what? It provides a large fishing area. As you see, 60% of the fish in the world is caught in this ocean. Then, the last importance is many nations or many countries, they are having offshore oil and gas reserves in the Pacific Ocean, like China, USA, New Zealand, Peru, etc. They depend on the Pacific Ocean for the offshore oil and the gas reserve.